Hey, how fast does that boat go?
Pretty fast.
Mileage-wise, what would you say? Huh? You don't know? 20? Huh. Yep. That's a patrol boat down at Lutalvy's Lake. And this video was taken on this Thursday afternoon, May 11th, 2017. And the time right now is 3:55 p.m. Yep. There's one of the like boats. I gotta take the zoom off. Yep. There's that catch a wave ride. They had to dispose of that. It's a piece of junk. Yep. Just take it and wheel it right off a cliff. You'll do society a big favor. Blow it up with dynamite. Why not? Nobody likes that ride. It's ridiculous. Yep. There's a lake cruise boat sign. Yep. There's some people taking pictures. All right. There wasn't hardly any improvement over there by the Seaside Boardwalk. That's why I didn't take any videos of that today. You know? Any event? We got some decent videos today. We got two, matter of fact. All right. So that completes the video.